Good day, scholars. Since you are done with the arithmetic operators and its order of precedence, this week we will focus on the relational operators. The topic is found in 3.0 Programming Basics, Part 7.2. Okay, here we are, Programming Basics 3.0. 7.2. Now this topic will be available by October 12, 2020, 6 a.m. So by the time that you are playing this video, the topic is already available for you. Now let's proceed to target. By the end of this module, the students will be able to 1. Analyze relational operators. 2. Explore how to form and evaluate logical Boolean expression. Let's proceed to hook. Okay, the programmer's joke. Now this is just a meme. I really do hope that you get what the meme is all about. And then let's proceed to ignite. Okay, operators are one of the core concepts in any programming languages. We can define operators as symbols that perform specific mathematical and logical computations on operands. Again, we have three classifications of operators. First, we have the arithmetic operators. Second, the relational operators. Third, the logical operators. Now in this module, we will focus on relational operators. Relational operators are used to compare two values according to their equality. Now, relational expressions yields either true or false. They are also used in creating conditions. Now for the topic conditions, this will be discussed as we go along with our topics. We will encounter conditions later. For now, we'll just focus on relational operators and how they are being used. Now, C++ includes 6 relational operators that allow you to state conditions and make comparison. Now, the first operator is the equal operator. What does it do? It checks if the value of two operands are equal or not. If yes, if they are equal, then the condition becomes true. Otherwise, it returns false. Okay, let's provide an example. Let's say A assigned with the value of 10 and B assigned with the value of 15. So when you use the operator equals, A is equal to B. A holds the value of 10 and B holds the value of 15. So is 10 equal to 15? So it's false. Okay, I'll provide another example. Let's say A, the value of 2, and B with the sign value of 2. So using the relational operator equal is A equal to B, is 2 equal to 2. So since 2 and 2 is equal, therefore it will yield a value of true, a Boolean value of true. Okay. Okay, we have another operator. Let's close the paint. Okay. The next operator is the not equal. Now, not equal, what does it do? It checks if the value of the two operands are equal or not. If the values are not equal, then the condition becomes true. Now, this is the opposite of equal relational operator. Okay. Okay, I'll provide another example on how this is being used. Say you have A is 10 and B is 15, just like the example earlier. Now if A not equal, okay, not equal to B, A holds the value of 10 while B holds the value of 15. So is 10 not equal to 15? Now this is true because they are not equal. Now on the other hand, if you have a value of say A for 2 and B for with the value of 2, is A not equal to B? Okay, now this is 2 and this is 2. Is 2 not equal to 2? Now that is false. Okay, at first this will create confusion. Like for this example where A is 2 and B is 2, is A not equal to B? That is false. Now how do you know that that is false? Like what I have mentioned earlier, not equal is the opposite of equal. So when you use A equal to B, now A is 2 and B is 2, is 2 equal to 2? Now that is true. Remember, not equal is the opposite of equal. So when 2 is not equal to 2, that is false. Is 2 equal to 2? That is true. Okay, let's proceed to the other relational operator. So we have the less than and greater than. So we have the greater than. This is very straightforward. Okay, so we have greater than. Say your value for A. So your value for A is 2, let's say 10, and B is 15. So when you use greater than, is A greater than B, A is 10 and B is 15, so that is false. Okay, now when you use the less than symbol, is A less than B, A is 10 and then B is 15, is 10 less than 15, which is true. Okay, okay, let's proceed to another relational operator. Okay, now aside from the less than and greater than, we have the greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. Okay, so the difference between less than and less than equal, okay, here I'll show you. Say the same value, A assigned with the value of 10, B assigned with the value of 15. So when you use less than equal, say A less than equal B, it will yield a true value. Why? Because A is less than B. Okay, though they are not equal, but it is less than. Now how about if you have a value of 2, say A is 2 and B is 2, when you use less than, A less than B, that is false. Okay, A less than B is false, but if you're going to use less than equal, A less than equal B is 2 less than or equal to B. So since aside from checking if it's less than, it will check if it's equal. Now 2 is equal to 2, that is true. Okay, again, is 2 less than equal to 2, so it will yield a Boolean value of true. Okay, let's proceed to another relational operator. So let's try again the same operator, the same value. Okay, now say A is greater than equal to B. Remember, this is 10, this is 15. Is A 10 and B 15? Is 10 greater than 15? That is false. Say you have value of, again, same 2 and B is 2. Okay, using the greater than or equal and greater than, is A greater than B, is A 2 greater than B, which is also 2, that is equivalent to false. Okay, now how about if A greater than or equal to B, which is 2, is 2 greater than or equal to 2, though 2 is not greater than 2, but again, aside from checking if it's greater than, it will check if they are equal. Now since they are equal, is 2 greater than or equal to 2, that is true. Okay, that's it for the 6 relational operator under C++. Okay, let's proceed. Recap, we have the test for equality or equal sign or the equal operator, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and last is the less than or equal to. Now note, the symbol equal, which consists of 2 equal signs, is called the equality operator. Now recall that the symbol, okay, kana siya nga symbol, is called an assignment operator. Remember that the equality operator, which represents the 2 equal sign symbol, determines whether the 2 expressions are equal. Okay, whereas the assignment operators assign the value of an expression to a variable. A equal to B is not the same as A assigned with B, because this is for testing if they are equal. This one, you are assigning a value. Okay? Okay, all relational operators have equality, equal priority, and are lower than arithmetic operators. Okay? So this is just another examples. Okay, now also relational operators can be applied to variables of type string. Okay, this is also the concept of having or testing your password as they are equal. So you're going to use the test for equality symbol or equality symbol. Say your password is hello, and then your original password is hello, but you have typed hello, which H is small letter. It means that they are not equal. Okay, and that is because of the ASCII. H represents, okay, a value of 72, okay, whereas a small letter h represents the value of 104. Okay, you can explore more of this using your dev.c and try to equate if hello or other string if they are equal. Okay, let's go on with our lessons. Okay, you have another examples here, which is Bill and Billy. Now remember, Billy contains 5 characters, while Bill contains 4 characters. So when you compare Bill is greater than equal to Billy, it's false because Billy is a larger string. Okay? There is a navigate here. You need to take the navigate before you can proceed to the next lesson. Time limit is 6 minutes.